There's a lot of crazy things going on right now, but fear is dependent on you for survival. We can stay inside and wait to see what happens, or we can go out and create our own world, right in our own backyard. Revolution doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as learning a new skill, completing a project, or planting a seed. Hell, plant a bunch of seeds. You can do this. One seed, whether it's a seed of imagination, an idea, or a literal seed, can create a whole new world. One seed, one world. Watch it grow into something beautiful.